Hey everybody, I'm going to do this little tiny canvas with a, hold on, I'm putting my knot over, with an open cup twist and swirl, we'll call it that. So I'm going to get some gloves on. I don't have very much white paint left, which is why I am doing a very tiny canvas. This is 8 by 8. And I don't know how well this technique will work on a tiny canvas, but we shall see. So I'm just going to pour this on. This is just my white latex house paint with Floetrol and water, per usual. Oops, I'm pouring it all over the, I'm gonna screw this lid back on so that I can use it, just the squirt option. I set something in here, but I can't see it anymore. Where is it? Huh. I do not know. There are a ton of air bubbles, so let's torch those out. I don't see it anymore, so must have tilted it off of there. So the colors I'm using, I've got Artist Love Vermilion with iridescent medium, and then I've got my favorite pink, which is neon pink with, oh my gosh, I am totally blanking. Artist Liquitex Basic Magenta. There's the word for it. And then these two colors. So let me pop the lids off. This lid does not want to be popped off. Yikes. Not at all. So as I said, this is such a tiny canvas, I'm not really sure how this will work. I forgot, I hate that, this color with all that metallic-y. It's just, I don't like the look of it. And I can't remember, it was, the base of it was a craft paint. And I am going to, whoops. As I just totally threw it on myself. I'm going to get rid of it. And then here comes the swirl part. Yeah, it's really difficult on this teeny tiny canvas. try and get a little bit more of that off of there. Ooh, aren't those colors pretty? There's way too much paint, but the colors are sure pretty. I like those colors. All right. Now we've got them moving. Let them settle back in. Torch it a little. I have enough paint on here for a canvas like 4 times this size. Ooh, I wonder. I swear, I'm not adding any more paint, but more and more just keeps being on here. I like how when I did it, you know, I got like kind of a ribbon effect. That's really cool. Try it. That did not do as well. In fact, I'm going to tilt that off of there. Ooh, but look at that pink as I'm tilting it. I'm liking the effects. I need some white. You can see some lacing, some outlines forming. Let's see if those get darker. No, I just got more of the little tiny cells, but they're not too distracting. All right, so just clean up some edges. One more torch around the sides now, because those are bubbly. Okay. I like it for a cute little painting. It's perfect. Get rid of that color, because it is an awful color. It's cute in the little bits that it showed up, but otherwise it is not a good color. I really like the lines in this one. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye. Hey, this painting is dry, so I want to update you on this first. And I love how it dried. It dried with way more definition than it had when wet. So I really like this little guy. Super adorable. So pretty thrilled with this little one. And then this is the one from the video before, and it stayed fairly well there. Now you can see it's a little darker. This is more how it really looks. This was getting the light. But it's really cool. I like it. And, whoops, it dried smooth. So I'm pretty happy about that. They both turn out well. That is the one from the stamper. I think I showed that one though. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.